ating pen and webcam setup. Okay? So this pen and webcam setup, this setup is the hardest to build. Okay? So pinakamahirap to gawin and requires some investment in equipment. Okay? So bakit? Ano yung mga kailangan natin ditong equipment? So of course, we need to have a laptop or desktop. And dito, yung webcam, it's not optional. We really need to have a webcam. Kasi nga, pen and webcam setup siya. And lighting as well. Kasi kailangan natin nung device, kailangan natin ng light na mag-iilaw dun sa susulatin natin. Okay? Kasi di ba magsusolve tayo dito ng solution. So, kailangan ng ilaw dun. Lighting is important. Microphone and face webcam, again, this is optional, but I highly suggest that you will have a face webcam and a microphone para mas maganda yung ating delivery. Okay? So advantages, less preparation is required in terms ng actual lesson. So bale, hindi siya kasing tedious nung previous one. Hindi mo na kailangan i-type yung mga equations beforehand. Hindi mo na kailangan lagyan ng animation. Parang magtuturo ka lang talaga. This is actually the same with whiteboard and marker setup. Pero yung advantage ng educational technology tools nandoon. Kasi sa isang whiteboard and marker setup, hindi natin mailalagay yung mga edtech tools na i-discuss ko later. Okay? Pero dito, pwedeng-pwede. No? Kasi nasa computer ka na nagsusulat. Okay? And can be used in both synchronous and asynchronous mode of delivery. Okay? Ang disadvantage niya is the migration can be quite challenging. Kasi dito parang you need to build something. Okay? You need to have a proper build, no, para to make it work. Okay? So that is also the setup. It can be quite hard to build. Okay? So let me show you my setup, guys. So ito yung setup ko sa bahay when I'm doing the pen and webcam setup. So meron akong ilaw dito, makikita nyo, guys. So may ilaw po tayo dito. So this is a this is a light from Shopee, okay? Or from Lazada. I forgot, no? So ating mga ating mga trusted partners, no, during this pandemic. Okay? Tapos makikita niyo po dito, guys, I have this lazy neck, no? An alternative that I use kasi wala akong mount nung aking smartphone. So I use the lazy neck of my mom. Ginagamit niya to when she watches K-drama, no? During the pandemic as well. Hiniram ko muna. Tapos I use my mobile phone as a webcam. So by the way, guys, no, I will share to you, I will provide a tutorial link, no? Hindi naman ako may gawa, no? Nakita ko lang din siya kung paano natin matatransform yung ating smartphone to become a webcam. So, ito yung aking mic, which is yung ginagamit ko ngayon. Tapos, ito yung aking face webcam. So, this one. Okay? So, tapos, syempre, ito yung aking desktop. Okay? So, ito yung itsura ko, no? When I am teaching, no? Using the pen and webcam setup. So, ito yung nakikita ko. Tapos, ito yung lumalabas sa screen ng mga students. Okay? So, let me share to you one sample lecture that I did using this setup. Hey, how's it going on, guys? So Sir Team here again, and I'm going to show you, no, yung naman natin, yung tinatawag nating pen and webcam setup. So this physical setup, guys, is you can do this by using a webcam. So I have a webcam right now that is pointed on my scratch paper, and one of the important thing here is you have a lighting or light source, no, para mailawan yung ating sinusulatan. So let's try to demo a lecture, no, using this setup. So I have a problem here, no. Solve for the indefinite integral ng x sine x dx. So I'm going to rewrite the given. So we are asked to solve for the integral of x sine ng x dx. So we know, guys, that in this type of indefinite integral, so since magkasama yung algebraic function and transcendental function, the ideal way to do this is by using integration by parts. So sa integration by parts, identify natin ano dito dapat ang u at ano ang dv. No? So in this case, guys, let u be yung x such that yung du natin ay magiging dx. So we just take the derivative of u, no? So that's du magiging dx siya. Now, yung dv naman natin on the other hand, okay, would be equal dun sa naiwan na part, guys, which is sine ng x dx. Okay? Then, we take the integral to solve for v. So, the integral of sine x. So, integrate natin siya. So, that's negative cosine x. So, meron na tayong u, meron na tayong v. No? So, now we can solve for the integration by parts. Because we know, guys, na sa integration by parts, the integral of u dv, okay, ay equal sa uv minus the integral of v du. Okay? So, continuing, guys, no? So, we already know the values natin. So, bali yung integral ng x sine of x, okay, dx is simply equal pala sa u. So, ano ba yung u natin kanina? So, that's x. Tapos, yung v natin kanina, which is negative cosine of x. Okay? Tapos, minus integral ng v du. So, yung v natin is negative cosine ng x. Tapos, yung du natin is dx. So, yung una, okay na siya. So, yung pangalawa na lang, we evaluate it. So, bali, ang makukuha natin, guys, we have negative x cosine ng x, which is yung nanggaling dun sa taas, nilabas lang natin yung negative. Tapos since negative to, tsaka negative to, so magiging positive yon. So we have plus integral ng cosine ng x. And we know, guys, that the integral of cosine ng x is simply equal sa sine x. So we have plus sine of x plus c. Don't forget the arbitrary constant. And that is the answer for our question. Bang! Nice, good. Nice, good. Okay, no? So, yan, that's it. Yan po yung example naman ng pen and webcam setup. So, personally, I think this is a very good setup. Kaya lang ang problem is you really need to build something for this, no? So, kailangan meron kang webcam talaga. Or maybe a dedicated smartphone na hindi mo na ginagamit, no, yun yung gagamitin mo as webcam, pwede rin po yun. Okay? So, gusto ko siyang gawin because it's easy to solve, lalo na sa mga detailed writing ng solution, pero nasa laptop pa din ako. So, ang difference ito dun sa sa pre-made PowerPoint setup, hindi siya kasing tedious kasi hindi na natin kailangan i-type yung mga equations. Parang kung paano mo siya isusulat, ganun lang din siya. Pero nakaupo lang tayo dito sa harap ng ating mga computers. Okay? So, ang disadvantage nga lang niya, the setup can be quite hard to build. At syempre, you need to invest in some of the equipment. Okay? And majority of us, okay, medyo mahihirapan in that sense.